Yeah, I screwed this one up. The dreaded juice groove got me. This was a cutting board I had made a couple of years ago for a friend that was on a barbecue team with me. Last year I had told him that I could add a juice groove and handles to it. Well, a year later, and I still had the cutting board. And I knew I was going to see him around Christmas, so I got to work. I did a couple of passes on the juice groove, and sure enough, I got to the end and slipped up and put a nice gouge in the cutting board with my router. Long story short, I was mad. So I drew a bunch of scribbles on the board thinking of ways to cover it up. I had bow ties and crosses, some stitches and straight lines. Then I said to myself, he's a big deer and duck hunter. Why not inlay a duck, some antlers, and then add his last name? And yes, that's spelled correct. It's Qualls. And a couple of knives to even it out. So I went back to work adding inlays. And I made it through the juice groove part. Thank you. So here I'm adding the handles. The jig I have is just a 3D printed template a friend of mine had made for me. I had to use clamps for this one as the double-sided tape I normally use wouldn't hold to the end grain of this already used, seasoned cutting board. Like the juice groove, it's really important when you're routing these out, you do these in a couple of passes, increasing your depth each time so that you don't bind or stall your router out. Then lots of sanding by hand. That's one thing about adding a juice groove to end grain cutting boards. They are a pain to sand. This board had my old logo on it, but I went ahead and added my new one as well. Then oil it up. I'm using a walnut and mineral oil blend here. Overall, not a bad cutting board upgrade for a mistake I made. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.